Welcome to Integrated Electronics. Today we are introducing the Noritake Embedded OLED Display Module, the GE series. This brand new color display model brings extreme space-saving benefits with its thin, lightweight, and compact form factor. Because it's built on advanced OLED technology, the display is remarkably easy to see, featuring high definition, high contrast, and wide viewing angles. The GE series is simple to control, allowing easy operation with unique commands. It shares the same command system as Noritake popular VFD modules, making it incredibly straightforward to display characters and images. Perfect for a wide range of application examples, including measuring equipment, medical devices, EV chargers, data terminals, and industrial control equipment. As you can see, it handles multiple dynamic displays seamlessly. Watch as it showcases real-time processing data, high-resolution graphic animations, and text in multiple languages. The module features a high-performance microcontroller, supports 3.3-volt compatibility, and includes 2 pages of display memory. It effortlessly handles various text and graphic commands while supporting interfaces such as SPI and UART. From internet speed tracking to critical systems warnings and brand displays, the Noritake GE OLED series is your all-in-one interconnect solution provider. Compact, rich in features, and ready to elevate your product development.